Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making simple, profitable but delicious Nigerian meat pie. Watch the video to the end and please don't forget to like, subscribe and on the notification button so as to be notified whenever I upload a new video. The ingredients are listed on the screen and the actual measurements will be listed on the description box. Thank you for watching.
Walking through the shadows, chasing the light, building bridges from the echoes of the endless night. In a world where dreams are diamonds, shining untold, I found the map to my kingdom, a place called Ritual. Every step, every fall, leads me closer to the call. Breaking chains, breaking walls, I will rise above it all. Welcome to Ritual, where the stars align, where the broken find their strength and the lost can shine. In Rituals, we're unbreakable and bold, living life like a story waiting to unfold. There's a rhythm in the silence, a fire in the breeze, a melody that whispers through the tallest trees. When you dream beyond the skyline, let your heart be hurled, you'll discover there's no limits in the magic of Ritual. Every fight, every tear brings the vision crystal clear. Through the doubts, through the fears, there's a voice that I will hear. Welcome to Ritual, where the stars align, where the broken find their strength and the lost can shine. In Rituals, we're unbreakable and bold, living life like a story waiting to unfold. We'll paint the sky with colors untamed, write our names in the fire, never be the same. In Ritual, the impossible's real. With every scar, there's a power we feel. Welcome to Ritual, where the stars align, where the broken find their strength and the lost can shine. In Ritual, we're unbreakable and bold, unlocking every moment our hearts turn to gold.
If you watch to this point, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your kind comments, questions, suggestions are also welcome. Thank you. Stay tuned.